So now the grand reveal. How much did the money turn into? It turned into a total of... So how did I exactly make 1 lakh rupees as a 16-year-old college student? Let's begin the video, shall we?
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
There were 3 main sources that made up my total net worth. 1, the stock market. 2nd, the freelance work that I do, video editing and graphic designing. 3rd one was OLX, which was where it all began. But I don't do it anymore. In brief, what I used to do for OLX is I used to take old scrappy electronics left at my house and click nice pictures of them with my old Motorola phone, and I used to upload it on OLX. Like, I used to give them nice titles and make an attractive description for them, and people would buy that shit. So I finished all the scrap at my house and I made a total of 16,000 rupees. If you want to know about that in more detail, I've made a total video on that. So what did I do of that 16,000? Absolutely nothing. I saved it till the right time. I kept it for around 2 years, the money, and the right time was last year when the stock market totally crashed and I went all in on one banking stock, which was IndusInd Bank, and I put the total sum of 16,000 in that stock and I kept it in and forgot it for a total of 6 months. So now the grand reveal. How much did the money turn into? It turned into a total of 80,650 rupees. That's a lot of money. But according to me, it was sheer luck. Like, no one knew that the pandemic would come and a 13-year-old kid would think of investing all of his scrap money into the stock market. So that was just an opportunity of a lifetime. Like, it doesn't come every single year or every single month. It comes once in 10 years, and luckily your boy got in. So now you'd think that's just 80,000 rupees. Where is the rest 20,000 rupees? I'll tell you. So during the lockdown, I was in 10th grade, but that didn't matter because there was nothing to study. Like, schools were closed and they did not know the pattern of online studying and everything, so there was nothing to do. I took advantage of that and I started learning video editing and graphic designing on the new PC that I had bought during that time. I remember I learned everything about Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, and how to do freelance work, and I had also made my LinkedIn account at that time. So I used to apply for freelance work on LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, and all the other freelance websites. So I used to get quite a lot of work from there, and I made around 10 to 12,000 out of freelancing. So now the total is, I guess, 95,000, 92,000. Then there was another source of income which I forgot to mention. I used to manage my relatives' money, not a big sum, like a very small sum of money, and I used to take 10% of their profit. Now a lot of people will say, oh, relative से पैसा लेता है, हाँ ये बच्चे को पैसे किसने दिए, हाँ ये बच्चा शेयर मार्केट कैसे चला सकता है, हाँ इसको पैसे के बारे में मालूम भी कैसे है, हाँ ये पैसे के बारे में बात कैसे कर सकता है, ये वीडियोस क्यों बना रहा है, क्या होगा ये वीडियो बना के. So according to me, I don't give a fuck. So उस तरीके से मेरे को अराउंड 20,000 रुपये मिले थे कमीशन खा कर. And I reached that total net worth of 1 lakh rupees in this October, just before my 16th birthday. So that's pretty much it. That's how I made 1 lakh rupees as a 16-year-old college student, and you can do it too. Like, if I can do it, anyone on the planet can do it. It's all a game of dopamine. Like, nowadays you don't get a lot of dopamine. I don't know for many people, but I don't get a lot of dopamine from meeting people and talking to them because I'm stuck at home, my college is closed. But money gets me some dopamine, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and in the next video, peace out.